Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get started with this 1937 Ford Wild Rod, listed for $65,000 US in Bryant, Alabama. It has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description: fiberglass body on a Wild Rod chassis, Ford 9-inch 406 small block Chevy, turbo 350, billet wheels, custom upholstery. There are a few small things that need to be done, such as driver window needs a little more adjusting, etc. Open to partial trades and cash. And here we have a 1969 Volkswagen Dune Buggy, listed for $23,000 US in Sayreville, New Jersey. It's been driven 8,556 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description: 1969 Volkswagen Dune Buggy, no trades, cash only. Okay, here we have the first of two Factory 5 cars today. This is a 2000 Factory 5 Racing GTM, listed for $65,000 US in Irvine, California. It's been driven 3,100 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description: please see photos for all info, no trades. I have included those pictures with the info. If you just pause on those, you'll be able to read them. Alright, here we have a 1967 Ford Cobra replica, listed for $49,000 US in Aberdeen, North Carolina. It's been driven 10,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description: 1967 Cobra Jet 427, has AC and heater, tilt steering, roof is only used when it's sitting, it's not clamped to it. Okay, here we have a 2001 Lotus Superperformance S1, listed for $29,500 US in Sudbury, Massachusetts. It's been driven 18,800 miles, has a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, Superperformance S1, one of 53 made by Superperformance, factory built and finished car, 2.0 liter Z-Tech motor running about 170 horsepower, 5-speed gearbox, adjustable pedal box, fully finished interior, removable steering wheel, clean title in hand, and registered and inspected on the road in Massachusetts. Hey everyone, I just want to interject for about 30 seconds here. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Alright, let's get back to the vehicles. And here we have a 1923 Ford Roadster, listed for $12,200 US in Mountaintop, Pennsylvania. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, T-Bucket Roadster, small block Chevy motor, runs well, title in hand. Alright, here we have a 1957 Chevrolet Scarab Replica, listed for $87,900 in Daytona Beach, Florida. It has a manual transmission, listed in excellent condition, and from the seller's description. 383-stroker small block Chevy V8, Tremec 6-speed manual, all synchro transmission, rack and pinion steering, 4-wheel Corvette rotors and calipers, 16-inch gold Hallebrand knockoff wheels, Lone Star Cobra box frame, 750 CFM carburetor, coilover adjustable shocks, hydraulic clutch, mechanical fuel pump, electronic ignition, aluminum radiator, electric cooling fan. Okay, here is the second Factory 5 vehicle. This is a 2014 Factory 5 818S, listed for $17,000 US in Orlando, Florida. It's been driven 63,000 miles, has a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, Factory 5 818S Subaru Impreza 2.5 liter with a 5-speed transmission, runs on an MS3 computer system, includes a convertible top, runs and drives excellent, clean Florida title, registered as an assembled from parts build, 17,000 or best offer. Trades include F100s, F150s, Mustangs, Torinos, etc. Alright, this one is a project. It is missing a motor and transmission. Here we have a 1971 Volkswagen Ford Coupe, listed for $4,500 US in Walcott, Connecticut. From the seller's description, 1971 VW kit car, 1936 Ford Coupe, needs motor and transmission, have a few parts for an engine. And bringing up the rear, we have the second dune buggy of the day. Here we have a 1967 Volkswagen dune buggy listed for $4,500 US in Carrollton, Kentucky. It has a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, VW kit car, the body is called a Barry Mini T4, needs windshield and top, but I have windshield frame, willing to trade, prefer other toys, side by side is what I'd really like to have. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking on the button below or using the link in the channel description. For the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every one of my videos before they go live on YouTube, usually at least 24 hours ahead of going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.